Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we are going to see how we can reconcile accounts payable to general ledger reconciliation. At the end of the period, at every period, we have to close and open a new period, and before closing the period, we have to make sure that all the invoices are validated and posted to general ledger module, and we have to check whether those invoices are reconciled with general ledger. In payables, we have used accounts payable account, which is nothing but liability account, and we can also call it as control account. The liability accounts, we can call them as control accounts. We perform reconciliation only for control accounts, and here we have to make sure that payables and general ledger balances are reconciled without any differences. Now, what are all the steps that has to be followed? First, you have to validate invoices and then perform create accounting. Check liability account in common options for payables and procurement. Whatever the liability account we have used to create all the payables invoices, we have to check that account, and for that account you have to set financial category for those control account and run reconciliation process and run the reconciliation report. Now let's jump into the system and see how we can do these things. Go to payables, click on invoices, click on task list or task pane. Now run validate invoices. Select your business unit. Select your ledger. Select your supplier. ERPZEN, Dell supplier. Now I am fine with these parameters. Click on submit. 5563. Go to monitor process and check the status of this program. It is running. System is running. It is succeeded. Now run create accounting process. Click on payables. Click on invoices. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on create accounting. Now select your subledger application, payables. Select your ledger. Select all, final, all, report style detail. Transfer to general ledger and post to general ledger. Yes. Now click on submit. 5573. Go to scheduled process and check the status of the program. Create accounting. The child job is completed, is successfully completed. It is showing warning. We will check what is the warning. We'll check the log. The accounting process ended some with the processed error. It is showing some warning, but I'll show you the process. After completing this, now click on Home. Go to the task called Common Options for Payables and Procurement. Click on your username, click on Setup and Maintenance, and Functional Setup Manager will open. And here in Functional Setup Manager, search for the task called Common Options for Payables and Procurement. Make sure that it is pointing to your business unit. Open the task. Now liability account. Our liability account is 22100 22100. Now click on cancel. Now go to the task called chart of accounts value set. Manage chart of accounts value set values. This is also fine. Manage chart of accounts value sets. Search for your accounts value set. XX underscore ERPZEN account value set. Click on manage values. Search for your liability account 22100. Here scroll little right. In financial category, set accounts payable. Now click on save. Save and close. Click on save. Save and close. Like this, you have to set the accounts, the financial category for accounts payable account. Control account. That is nothing but control account. Now you have to run one process. Go to tools. Click on scheduled process. Now click on schedule new process. Prepare payables to general ledger reconciliation. Prepare payables to general ledger reconciliation, and this will prepare all the transactions and accounting information from general ledger and accounts payable module. It will collect all the information from GL and AP. Now click on OK. Process name is nothing but report name. ERPZEN May 26. And now what is the ledger? ERPZEN P primary ledger PL. What is the accounting period? I want to run it for May 2026. And for which account you want to run, select that account, click on add fields, click on account, search for 22100. Now click on OK. This is the report name, and if you run this process, system will collect all the information from accounts payable and general ledger modules. Now click on submit 5600. Now click on refresh. Refresh, refresh. It is running. Prepare payables to general ledger reconciliation, and the same sub process it is running. It is succeeded. The sub process is succeeded. Now you can see all the jobs are completely successful. Now let us run the program, the report. Go to payables, click on invoices, click on task list or task pane. Now click on payables to ledger reconciliation. Now here you can see your ledger, and the request name is nothing but report name. Now here you can see the payable beginning balance. It is not having any difference, so it is successfully reconciled between GL and AP. And invoices, payables amount is this and account amount is this, and the variance is $100. Now click on this $100. Let's understand what is the problem with this $100. Click on this hyperlink so that you can drill down to the transaction. The difference should be 0 when we are running this report. Remember that. If there are any differences, you have to check what are all the exceptions, what are all the variances that system is providing to us. See, this invoice was not accounted, I think. So that is the reason why it is showing the difference. Accounts excluded, credit memo, distribution, payables, no. Now we'll create accounting for this, and let's see. The invoice number is credit memo underscore 1. Now click on done. Click on underscore 1. Click on search. Open this invoice. It is saying needs revalidation. Now cancel this. Okay, we will adjust minus 200. Yeah, now you can see the total is matching. Now validate it. Now do post to ledger. Now click on view accounting, liability debit, item expense credit. Yeah, the same entry. Now click on save, save and close. Now do the process from the beginning. Now let's check once. Click on invoices. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on payables to general ledger reconciliation. Now still we are able to find this since we haven't updated the balance. Now run the process again. Prepare payables to general ledger reconciliation. I want to go with the same name, ERPZEN May 26. Select your ledger, ERPZEN primary ledger. Select the accounting period, May. Select the account. Click on add fields. Click on account. Now search for your accounts payable account. Click on OK. Click on submit. 5641. Now hit refresh. It is saying error. It is saying error. Or else we'll give you a different name. Only say ERPZEN. We'll take our ledger. We'll take accounting period May 2026. We'll see the account. Click on OK. Now click on submit. 5654. Now it is passed. The sub process is running. Now each and everything is running successfully. Yeah, all the programs are succeeded, including the parent ESS job. Now go into payables. Click on invoices. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on payables to ledger reconciliation. Now still it is showing variance. We have to check why it is showing variance. So like this, you have to check. No, it is running the same request name. We have to change ERPZEN. Click on apply. Now you can see invoices it is showing 0. That means the exception got resolved by doing create accounting. Like this, you have to see what is the reason for the difference, and you have to do and you have to take proper action to resolve that variance. Now click on done. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.